We got these cool brewing bags about 6 months ago, and they have been fantastic. We take kegs out in the field or to events. We can keep the 6-barrel keg inside here, and it keeps it cold for a very long time. One of the other great things about this bag is that it has a freezer sleeve that you can get. So this, you can freeze it ahead of time, put it in here, wrap it around the keg, and it does a great job of keeping your keg cold for a very long time. So if you're looking for something that you can take a keg to a party, or you're gonna go pick one up, but you don't have time to be able to put it directly in your kegerator, this does a great job of keeping it cold for that duration of time that you have it out. We have some friends that use this for an events company. So during their event, they have the kegs inside here, they can dispense from it, and it keeps everything at the right temperature. I highly recommend them. With the ice sleeve in the bag here, you can have it to where it's wrapped around in a circle, and then your keg can just go right inside there. Sometimes what you can do too is, if it's easier for you, you can take the bag out, you can take the ice bag and put it in after you put the keg in there. Totally up to you, and to be able to find what works for you. The other thing, it works on stainless steel kegs. It also works on the plastic kegs. But I did find that for the plastic keg, it's easier to put the keg inside first and then to put the ice sleeve around the keg. Just with plastic on plastic, it seemed to work out better that way. But you put it in there, has a nice little zipper closure on the lid, so you can zip it closed. And then if you want to be able to access this to be able to tap it but not take it out of the bag, you can open this port, you can put your keg coupler on there, and be able to have it, and then you can cinch this around the keg coupler or the product line to keep everything nice and cold and refrigerated for an extended period of time. These things have been really nice. They come with nice little handles to be able to hold it onto, or it also comes with a shoulder strap, so you can connect a shoulder strap to it. Really easy way to be able to keep a keg refrigerated for a period of time when you're traveling and don't have another type of refrigeration to be able to keep it in.